In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display high and low price labels on your chart in TradingView so you can instantly spot key levels. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load the chart you want to analyze. Pick any asset like stocks, crypto, or forex using the search bar so your chart is ready. Now move your cursor to the price panel on the right side of the chart. This is where all the price levels are displayed. Right-click directly on the price panel. Make sure you click on the price numbers, not the chart area. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the option called Labels and click on it. Inside this section, find the setting for high and low price labels. Enable this option and your chart will instantly update. You'll now see the highest and lowest price levels clearly marked on your chart. These labels help you quickly identify key support and resistance areas without manually checking values. If you don't see the labels right away, try refreshing the chart or toggling the option again. Take a moment to adjust and make sure everything looks clear for your analysis. That's it. You've successfully enabled high and low price labels in TradingView. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.